Nothing to be concerned with here,
Nope.
except my where you're gonna be able to see us doing some sort of activity in the air today.
If you see us in the sky, take a picture and tag us, please.
So give me, like, what is a proper shutter speed for this?
Honestly,
like aperture ISO and shutter speed, what's most important to you?
Right. Honestly, anything over 1 and 200th of a second, I feel. Obviously, you want to keep your ISO low to 100 and then figure out that you could definitely crank it. I mean, you're going to go higher with your shutter speed. We're shooting during the day. Now, I know in your studio, you made me change my settings to single shot.
Yeah.
But sometimes when you're in the air and you want to get some buildings aligning together, you want to make sure you get, because you won't have that same opportunity. So you might want to switch over and do continuous shot.
Oh, that's the reason for doing it. I was curious because I was like, can't you just see it and shoot? But you're right. If you want to get buildings like perfect.
Yes, and especially with 100 to 500, you'll be able to kind of compress the buildings together and perfectly align them. And
that would mean I need a faster shutter speed.
That is very true. So yeah, we're going to put our actual harness for the helicopters on right now to keep you safe and
get up in the air. You're not wearing the sunglasses up there, are you?
Yeah. Are you sure you want one?
I want one. Yeah, I really want one. I'm feeling like the need for one. So it hooks here.
Yes.
Have you ever had to unhook?
No.
Okay. I'm beside myself. Talk to anybody. We're just thinking if we can hear them. Oh yeah, my mic. I'm mic, guys. All right, guys, we are in the helicopter. We're about to take off. It's all happening. B&H is here. I didn't want to go any longer than that. Jeez, that was like stressful.
Peter, I hope you had a great time. I know I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for showing me the ropes in the studio. It's something I've always wanted to do, but was always too intimidated to try. I hope you had fun here.
Oh my gosh, I had a blast. You know what? I don't know if I got a shot. I'm like, you like firing, you're like pointing, I'm going like, I'm like, this is so difficult. And I think this was the coolest thing. For B&H to invite us to do this was amazing. So you guys have to decide what the next one should be and what photographers should be involved and what we could do to have more fun with B&H, right? You guys enjoyed this, and to be able to get to know another person in the industry, in the field that I did not know at all, who now is my friend. Super
We're besties,
cool.
basically.
We're so good together.
Drop a line in the comments. Tell us who you want to see next, and if you want to see more of us.
Yeah, we'll take
Shameless plug.
We'll take it. We'll
All
take
right,
it.
bye,
Thank
guys.
you.